Welcome to Graphics One Digital Academy. Today we will learn how to make sublimation coasters. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view more Go Digital Academy videos, or visit Graphics One website to find more video quick links. For this how-to video, we will use Graphics One design software, Go Outline templates, a Go ET2720, our Sublimate paper, and Sublimate ink. Graphics One design software can be used on Mac, PC, and mobile platforms. For this video, I am using the PC web version. Let's start now. First, I will open Crello Design on my preferred web browser. I can choose from a large variety of designs to base on. In my design, I will select a format that is similar to the page size I will be printing. I can adjust to any size that I want. I can select inches, centimeters, or pixels. 8.5 by 11 in this case. Remember, I can resize any time during the process. Once your page is ready, you can select the elements to add from the toolbar. I can choose templates, photos, shapes, backgrounds, text, or even upload my own images. That is what we would do now. Let's click on my files and then select upload image or video. Look for the folder where you have your images saved. In this case, I am opening a coaster outline template. It's a 4x4 square coaster. Once I click on the file, it will be uploaded, and I can select it. It will appear on the design page. Selecting the arrow and corners, the image can be resized. We need to enlarge it in order to match the page size. Let me share one tip. Pressing and holding the Shift key while rotating will rotate in steps. This way you can be sure you rotate it to the correct angle. Same as before, I can upload my own image. Also, I have a great source of images. When I click in Photos, on the toolbar, I have access to premium and stock images. How I can look for an image? Easy. Just type the theme of your picture. You will see lots of images about that theme. But now, let's select the image I will use on my coasters. Same as before. Upload, select and click. Once uploaded, just click on it. The image will be placed on my page. Move and place your image, using the outline template as reference. And set it up on the preferred location. The image has no transparency. You can use the transparency tool, and this way you will be able to see the outline template, and you can locate it properly. One more tip. Be sure your image covers and overlap the outline reference. We don't need white borders in our coasters. On the upper right, I can select the duplicate tool. I need to create 4 duplicates in total. Place each one on the correct position on the outline template. Next, I need to select the template outline and erase it. Remember, I don't want to print the outline. Now is time to access again the transparency tool, and restore the transparency to 100. You can see how the colors pop more now. Once my duplicates are complete, on the upper right, I can find the flip tool. This will help me to mirror my image. Horizontal and vertical flip are the available options. Let's mirror all the images. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the upper right corner, I select download. My image will be downloaded and I can print it. I can select different formats to download: PDF, JPEG, PNG and others. PNG is the one we will use on this video. The saving window will prompt on the screen. Just select the folder location, and save your file with your preferred name. I have some images in this folder. Let's use one of this and save it with the same name I had before. My file is downloaded. In the taskbar, I can select Show in Folder. Now the folder where I have my image will appear. Right-click, then choose Print. The print window will show up. In this new window, you can select your printer, paper size, quality, and paper type. In the lower right corner, click on Options. In the new window, select Color Management. We need to select my device, in this case my GoET-DS printer. Check Use My Settings box. This will allow me to add and select the correct ICC profile for our Sublimate inks. In order to add the correct ICC profile, select from the list the Sublimate ICC for your printer. In our knowledge base, you can find the document on how to load profiles for Windows. Our ICC color profile is linked now to our printer device. Click Close and select Options again. But now, choose Printer Properties. Here you can select paper size and paper source, which means, where is my paper loaded? Important. The best settings for our ink and paper are in paper type, plain paper, and in quality, high. In the More Options tab, we will verify our color correction settings, mirror your image, bidirectional printing. Here you can mirror your file if was not mirrored on the design software. In the color correction section, select Custom and then Advance. Select No Color Management. And then OK. Click OK again. And then Print. The file will be sent to the printer and then we can sublimate our coasters. First, trim the print. Once trimmed, remove the protective film on the coaster. Then we can stick the image to the coaster using heat-resistant tape on the corners. This way your print will not shift. Take this to your press. You can transfer one by one or more at the same time. I use 392 Fahrenheit degrees, medium to high pressure for 40 to 45 seconds. Be careful. Coaster might be very hot. Gently peel your sublimate paper and look. Great colors, great coaster. Thanks for watching. Thank you for staying with us. Please stay tuned for more Graphics One Digital Academy videos. For additional information, please visit us at www.graphicsone.com. Send us an email to sales@graphicsone.com or call us to 1-818-260-9591.